Artificial intelligence, a game changer, is revolutionizing the Indian business landscape. This transformative force is rewriting the rules of the game, bringing a new dawn of innovation and efficiency across sectors. From the bustling streets of Mumbai's financial district to the tech hubs in Bangalore, AI is proving its mettle as a catalyst for change. The beauty of AI lies in its versatility. It's enhancing customer support, making it more intuitive and personalized. It's optimizing supply chains, predicting bottlenecks before they occur, and streamlining operations. It's also transforming product development, helping businesses anticipate market trends and stay ahead of the curve. In the high-stakes world of finance, AI is mitigating risks and making data-driven decisions faster and more accurately than ever before. It's also redefining the retail experience, using predictive analytics to understand customer behavior and personalize offerings. But the story doesn't end there. AI is also fostering a culture of innovation in the Indian business landscape. It's pushing boundaries, challenging traditional norms, and encouraging businesses to think outside the box. By enabling real-time insights and agile decision-making, AI is helping Indian businesses adapt to rapidly evolving market dynamics. However, to truly harness the potential of AI, Indian businesses need more than just technology. They need a clear vision, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to invest in the right skills and infrastructure. They need to embrace a data-driven culture, nurture talent, and foster collaborations that can accelerate AI adoption. There's no denying that the journey to AI transformation is filled with challenges, from data limitations to skill shortages, from evolving regulations to resistance to new technologies. But those who navigate these challenges successfully, with strategic foresight and execution, will find themselves at the forefront of a new era of business. AI, thus, is the new catalyst for Indian businesses, driving them towards a future of boundless possibilities. The ripples of AI's transformative power are felt across various aspects of business operations. Picture this: a customer walks into a digital store. The AI-powered system immediately recognizes their preferences based on past interactions and tailors the shopping experience accordingly. This isn't a glimpse into the far future, but a reality today for businesses that have harnessed the power of AI to enhance customer experience. Imagine a supply chain where every element is interconnected and optimized. Machine learning algorithms predict demand trends, while AI systems streamline logistics, inventory management, and distribution routes. The result? Increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. But AI's influence extends beyond these areas. Mundane, repetitive tasks are now being automated, freeing up employees to focus on strategic and creative aspects of their roles. From sifting through large volumes of data to processing transactions, AI is taking on the routine work and doing it faster, more accurately, and tirelessly. AI is also revolutionizing decision-making. Leveraging vast amounts of data, AI systems can uncover hidden trends, predict future scenarios, and provide real-time insights, enabling businesses to make informed decisions quicker than ever before. Moreover, AI is a catalyst for innovation. It's helping businesses to iterate faster, test new ideas, and adapt to changing market conditions. AI is empowering businesses to predict customer needs, personalize offerings, and stay ahead of the competition. So, what does this all mean for businesses? It's clear that AI is not just a tool, it's a strategic asset that gives businesses a competitive edge. It's an ally that can propel businesses into a future of unprecedented growth and success. AI is not just a tool, it's a strategic asset that gives businesses a competitive edge. The proof of the pudding lies in eating. Let's delve into real-world AI success stories in India. Let's start with ICICI Lombard, a leading insurance company. They've leveraged AI to streamline their claim process, making it faster and more efficient. By using AI, they've been able to automate the inspection of damaged vehicles, drastically reducing the time it takes to settle claims and enhancing customer satisfaction. Next, we have Flipkart, India's largest online marketplace. They've used AI to predict customer behavior, helping them to personalize marketing campaigns and optimize resource allocation. By analyzing customer data, they can predict what products a customer is likely to be interested in and tailor their marketing efforts accordingly. This has resulted in increased sales and improved customer retention. Last but not least, let's look at Reliance Industries. They've used AI in their retail division to optimize their supply chain. By predicting demand for different products, they've been able to manage their inventory more effectively, reducing waste and improving profitability. These success stories are just a few examples of how Indian businesses are harnessing the power of AI. From enhancing customer experience to streamlining operations, AI is proving to be a game changer. These success stories are a testament to the transformative impact of AI on Indian businesses. Harnessing the power of AI requires a strategic, data-driven approach. When it comes to integrating AI into business operations, the first step is identifying the use cases that align with your business goals. Are you looking to enhance customer experience, or perhaps optimize your supply chain? Once you've identified your objectives, you can then explore the various AI solutions that can help you achieve them. But remember, the effectiveness of AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Ensuring the availability of high-quality data for AI models is a crucial aspect of this strategic approach. This could mean cleaning up existing datasets, investing in data collection, or even partnering with data providers. The goal is to provide your AI systems with the most accurate and comprehensive information possible, enabling them to make better predictions and provide more insightful analyses. However, the integration of AI goes beyond technology and data. It's also about people. Building a culture of AI adoption among employees is key. This might involve upskilling your workforce, hiring new talent with AI expertise, or fostering an environment where innovation and experimentation with AI are encouraged. The idea is to create a workforce that's not just comfortable with AI, but excited by its potential. With the right strategy in place, AI can be the key to future-proofing Indian businesses. While AI offers immense potential, it's not without challenges. Ethical considerations, data privacy concerns, and skill gaps are some of the hurdles that need to be addressed as we navigate the AI landscape. Ethical considerations are paramount, as AI can have far-reaching implications. It's important to ensure that AI systems are designed and used responsibly, respecting human rights and values. Data privacy is another critical issue. In the era of big data, handling sensitive information securely is crucial. Robust data governance practices and stringent privacy policies can help mitigate these concerns. The AI revolution also demands a new set of skills. There's a pressing need to upskill the workforce and bridge the talent gap. This involves not just technical training, but also fostering a mindset that embraces change and innovation. To overcome these challenges, a collaborative approach is necessary. Businesses, government agencies, and academia need to work together, creating a supportive ecosystem that encourages AI adoption and innovation. Overcoming these challenges will pave the way for a thriving AI-powered future for Indian businesses. As we navigate the ever-evolving business landscape, AI stands as a beacon of transformation and growth. Its potential to revolutionize Indian businesses is immense, ushering in a new era of innovation, efficiency, and competitiveness. From enhancing customer experiences to optimizing supply chains, AI is reshaping the way businesses function. AI is not just a tool, but a strategic partner, helping businesses navigate through complex market dynamics and unlock new opportunities. It's a catalyst for change, driving businesses to become more agile, data-driven, and customer-centric. Embracing AI is not an option, but a necessity for businesses aiming for global success. It's time for Indian businesses to seize this opportunity, to harness the power of AI and chart a course towards a thriving future. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Take the leap, explore the boundless possibilities AI offers, and equip your business for the future. Embrace AI, future-proof your business, and soar to new heights of global success. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video for more insights into AI and emerging technologies.